Hello, this presentation covers the mission statement of the International University School of Medicine with short name USOM. USOM, from its all worldwide campuses located in Bonaire, Barranquilla, Mexico City and Sialkot, is providing medical education and training to all without international borders, regardless of race, national origin, religion, sex or age. Whoever desires to devote the extensive time and effort necessary to practice medicine. USOM provides a comprehensive basic sciences and clinical medicine education, enabling students to complete a Doctor of Medicine at USOM main campus and at its all branch campuses situated in the different parts of the world. It also offers pre-medical program. The Board of Trustees at USOM would like to be independent, and for them freedom for the medical education and technological innovative scientific research is very important. USOM board members think that as founders and directors of their School of Medicine, they can provide excellent medical education and training on the one hand and can do very high innovative scientific research work in the field of medicine on the other. In both USOM Foundation and USOM International Medical Consultant Inc., USOM board members want to use bureaucratic rules and regulations as little as possible. The objectives of USOM are as follows: to establish both not-for-profit and profitable technological innovative institution and entity of international reputation, with eventual aims and objectives being to provide education and training to students to finally grant MD degrees to them, to educate and train MD seeking students strictly in accordance to the international norms and charter and guidelines of medical profession education, with the eventual goal of preparing them for USMLE, enabling them to practice medicine in USA, Canada and of course in the Netherlands and Netherlands and in other countries. To set up a technological innovative research institution and medical education institution that shall provide leadership to the rest of the world, to invest most of the profits into the technological innovative sector of the environmental and healthcare research activity. The goal of USOM is the rapid evolution of medical science, along with the changing role of the physician in the society, poses challenges for the traditional approach to medical education. USOM goal is to provide quality education, preparing USOM graduates to be outstanding in medicine and related fields by differentiating the educational program from that of other Caribbean medical schools. In so doing, the Board of Trustees will seek out International University School of Medicine on the basis of its distinctive approach and values. If you wish to require further information, please visit our web page shown here. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you again, and goodbye.